All right, folks, I'm going to show you this location, but this is the end of my driveway, and that's the city street. Now, the city of Franklin, the Department of Public Works, dug out this area or put in a new pipe. But what they failed to do with the gravel is what we call tamping it down. So with time, with road traffic, it collapsed, compressed, and got all this water there. Now, how was that a problem? Well, one, it was bad workmanship, and two, it ended up with every vehicle going through that water being filled with gravel and dirt, which then took it out on the street. And of course, the Department of Public Works blamed me for that, not their shoddy workmanship. So I'm going to show you the current site as it currently stands. I put about a dozen bags of gravel in there just so that I could stop cars from bottoming out in this area. So this is the area. There's the city street. And this is the area that the city of Franklin, Wisconsin, put gravel in without tamping it down. And what happens when you do that, as you saw in the previous picture, it collapses because it hasn't been tamped down. And I have a friend who does this for a living who says you put a couple inches of gravel, then you tamp it down. A couple more inches of gravel, then you tamp it down. Well, the city of Franklin didn't do that. They put in this pipe, they put some gravel in and went away. And in about a year and a half's time, it collapsed, which created this gully, which collected all the water. Now, the rest of the driveway has been around for, 60 years. And the same traffic that's been running on this section, which collapsed due to faulty workmanship, which of course the Department of Public Works and the city of Franklin denies it's not their fault. And what's interesting in Franklin is this kind of work cannot be done by anybody but the city of Franklin. You cannot get a second bid or a third bid and get a private contractor to do it. You are stuck with the city of Franklin Department of Public Works doing it, which means you don't get a warranty, you don't get a guarantee, and what you do get is an attitude. So this driveway's been here for 60 years, like I said. Same traffic that went through here. It's fine. Now, it's gravel. It's been around for 4 or 5 years. It hasn't been re-graveled, but it doesn't have this big dip, which is what I showed you in this, which you can see fills up with water. So I had to meet with the city of Franklin, not the Department of Public Works, because the Department of Public Works does not talk to citizens in Franklin, at least not me. And so their attitude is, you do what they say to do, or they'll just ignore you, which they've done. So allegedly about 3 yards of gravel is going to be brought in. I made sure that people understood with the Department of Public Works that it has to be spread out. You can't imagine how passive aggressive it would be for someone to dump a big pile of gravel here and not spread it out. I wouldn't put it past the DPW. That's just the way they get, that's the impression they give. That's obviously my opinion. I have no evidence of that. But I had to make sure that in the agreement for them to repair their shoddy workmanship, that they actually spread the gravel out. Oh, I had a friend come over. I've got to add this additional piece of information. He says, why are these tiny little scallops? Well, it's a gravel driveway. It snows here in Wisconsin. And when you have a snowplow come in, it will grab a bit of gravel, heap it up, grab a little bit. That's the reason it has these little indentations. It's not because the foundation is failing, the underlayment, not like the city of Franklin's work where they just didn't compact the gravel at all. This is just merely a function of snowplow. Just thought I'd let you know.
All right, this is a continuation of the gravel problem with the city of Franklin. The city of Franklin excavated the driveway here, creating this new ditch. And as you notice, that driveway comes out all the way level with the road. The city of Franklin then installed a new pad and failed to tamp it down. When they failed to tamp it down, as any vehicle came in, it caused the gravel, which had not been tamped down, to collapse. that created a huge mud puddle here, a huge problem. Now, after months of requesting that they finish their defective work, they finally brought 3 yards of gravel. Now, this is pretty good here, I gotta admit that. That, of course, still has a dip. And that just goes to show you that the City of Franklin Department of Public Works, under Kevin's leadership, just doesn't do a very good job. The sad part is it took months and months and billions of hours of time to get them to bring 3 yards of gravel to repair what they failed to do right the first time. And that is emblematic, indicative, classic for the City of Franklin to not do a good job first time out. And then when you point out to the Department of Public Works, led by Kevin, that it wasn't done correctly, instead of Kevin doing the philosophy of make it right, fix what you've done wrong, his attitude is, no, it's not my fault. Well, like I said, had to get a lot of people involved. And even then, we only got half of the driveway done adequately. The rest still has a dip, which will collect water. But it's progress. And what does that tell you? Don't let the City of Franklin push you around. It's nonsense. They're so used to having their way that to have a citizen, a taxpayer, come up and say, listen, you didn't do it right. They're just so used to saying, oh no, we're not going to listen to you. We did a perfect job, when clearly they didn't. All my friends who do parking lots, etc., said, when they first saw it, they said, nah, they didn't tamp it down. That's why this collapsed. But perseverance does pay off. It's aggravating. Hopefully the City of Franklin will grow and learn from this. But it's better. I've had people stop by and said, oh, I see the ditch is gone. The ditch that used to be here from the City of Franklin's incompetent, was that the right word? Incompetent installation from 1.5 years ago. So I love y'all. Peace out.